I'm passing this phone to someone na hindi nagsusuot ng brief.
I'm passing this phone to someone na malakas or maraming stock knowledge.
Hi! I'm passing this phone to Tuti Marie, my dear and one and only.
Hi, what's up? I'm Tuti Marie. I'm passing this phone to Dambuhalang Ross.
Hi, I'm Dambuhala. I'm passing this phone to someone na very serious. Si Mana Tiray.
I'm passing this phone to someone na very childish na makulit.
I'm passing this phone to someone na may mood swings. I'm passing this phone to someone na may buhok.
I'm passing this phone to someone who is, she's bisexual.
I'm passing this phone to my expensive na bully.
I'm passing this phone to someone na hindi na daw nadidiligan.
I'm passing this phone to someone na marasa daw ko.
I'm passing this phone to someone who Jane Belong.
Hi Philippines, I am Sheila Uy.